The presentations you deliver are an important part of your job. Wouldn't it be nice if they weren't any more time-consuming, difficult, or nerve-wracking than any other part of your job? At Turpin Communication, we know that's possible. The first thing you may need to do is take a step back to look at how you're currently working on your presentations, how you prepare for them, and how you deliver them. And that might require some unlearning. One of the things you may need to unlearn is the idea that a speech and a business presentation are the same thing. They're not. If you took a public speaking class in school, you learned speech making. A business presentation is a different process. It's much more of a conversation. While it's planned in advance, at its core, it's a dialogue between you and your audience. We call them orderly conversations. And for a lot of people, just that redefinition is a good first step toward their improvement. In all of our workshops, we work hard to create a safe learning environment for you. We understand the risk involved in taking one of these classes because you're working on communication skills and you're being video recorded. We're fully aware that that adds risk and perhaps increases nervousness that you might already feel delivering a presentation. So we do our best to create an environment that is comfortable for you. In the end, you'll walk away feeling more confident with your presentations, able to prepare more efficiently and think on your feet. All of that will help you get business done. Who knows, it might even lead to your next promotion. If it's time for you to take control of your presentations, I encourage you to join us in one of our public workshops. You can enroll now using the link below, or call us if you have questions.